Okay, so we're gonna do a little tour here of our Sierra Hall labs. So these tables are ours, but are currently here for our outdoor face-to-face labs. The pop-up over there is the campus's pop-up, but those are ours. And then Emily, ready, set, go.
The tarps, moving stuff. This is just generic stuff. This is water quality sample bottles are down here. We have a cabinet for random wheels. Don't ask me why, but we do.
I think I really want to get, because I was really into building the mover things and stuff.
These are capstone projects, squirt projects.
Virtually all of the glass are variable student projects, temporary spaces.
This is more water quality. Most of it's labeled. Here's a random drawer of drones, extra cables.
Excellent.
Don't ask me why some things are stored in places. Blue Robotics.
Yeah,
ROV.
stuff.
So most of it's got.
I think this is mostly the ROV area.
Here is bungee cords, cable locks. They all have the same key.
Those are for camera traps.
Camera traps, correct. You can find more keys up here, more master locks, actually, too. And then
hardware. That's hardware for.
I think it's computer. ROV, probably.
ROV, okay.
Yeah. More drone-related ROV stuff, and then this is the sound.
Right. Audio recorders.
Or maybe if you come over in this corner, it's kind of like a workstation. So here's our drill press for making quadrats. Extra PVC that I've used. I've been trying to get through our PVC. There's some gloves and gardening gloves right here. This is our tools, zip ties, paracord, and then we have your
Drone tool.
These are really funny labels. I did not do that.
That's a Paul Spar special.
Yeah,
thumb smashers and
there's some funny things.
butt grabbers and things like that.
Drone bay, 3D printer bay. All of that's here. This is Sea Frog Air Qual.
Temporarily. Although this shouldn't be here for a whole lot longer, but yeah.
Yeah. This is Field Methods kits. We're still waiting on them to come back.
Now, is the plan to? Well, I mean, never mind. Okay, keep going.
And then this is Mary and water quality. She just wrapped up her class, so all of this stuff will be going away too. ROVs, camera traps, drones, and then in here is generic batteries, dust cleaner, shields for technology things. You'll find specialized batteries in here too.
Okay.
And then
are those batteries there? Those are all rechargeable?
No.
Are those dead?
These ones are dead.
Okay.
These ones are working.
Okay.
And then there's a whole nother. We just have a lot of different use batteries.
Okay.
And then teacher station. You come in here. Brian's working. This is lab, general lab.
Administrative stuff.
Administrative. This is the oceanography binder, lab safety, shipment receiving log that has not been used in several years, safety data sheets, lab safety documentation, microplastic SOPs, and any working SOPs that I had.
And we should say that with our from our last safety audit and everything, we're switching away from physical copies of material safety data sheets, and the standard is to jump on the computer and Google or go on the search database of the compound. So
more just random like admin
office
supplies type of stuff. This is all of the oceanography labs extra.
Oh, handouts, you mean?
Handouts. There is some conservation biology in here too.
Okay.
That's that. This is the FTIR. But within the FTI area, we've got more like rulers, admin stuff.
That's our master
Yeah.
notebook, I think.
And then this is where the PDF manuals for all of the equipment for ESRM. So it's organized by brand or name. So you'll find random like owner's manuals in here. So if you ever need to know how to use the squat glass, I don't even know what this is, but we have the manual for it.
It's super important, Emily, and I'm offended that you don't know what it is.
What is this?
And I don't want to talk about it because it's so
thing.
obvious. It's so that's our yeah, that's our the
It's the light.
the bioluminescent or the biofluorescence water
Yeah,
quality.
Totally.
Where is that, by the way?
It's in the water quality
Okay.
over there.
Okay.
It's Lesbolt. So there's like a lot of manuals
Okay, cool.
in here. This is kind of where I let student assistants put stuff. There's a heating pad. And snacks. Don't look at that one.
What?
First aid. So here's our fire marshal bag, extra plastic bags, foil, first aid, clipboards. This is like generic ESRM. You're looking for something.
Okay.
This is my cabinet for air sampling and now red. Stickers. General chemistry stuff. So you'll see like better labeling within all of this once you open it. This was supposed to be Emily Fairfax's drawer that I eventually took over with microplastic-esque stuff. So like there's stir plates, Pyrex dishes, there's a
So none of the stuff that's in
feedback.
here right now is her specific stuff.
Oh, box of keys.
So, but none of this is her stuff at the moment.
No, none of
it's
that
just
is hers.
scheduled for her.
Yeah.
Okay.
This was supposed to be hers, but
Okay.
she
Okay.
we got.
Okay.
We'll look through that in a second. Box of
Okay.
keys. This is all water quality standards. And then this was supposed to be field methods. This is kind of turned into extra stuff, but every year people ask me where this is.
Waterproof paper.
Waterproof paper. It's right here. And then there's like extra boxes and like organizing stuff down
Okay.
here. And then go over here. This is Mary Wu's cabinet. There's a lot in here. Very active user of her cabinet.
Okay.
This is water quality. You can go in here and find parts, miscellaneous parts. A lot of it's out right now because we've been using it.
The glass. Yeah.
This is Dr. Patch's cabinet, so this is where her modular total station is.
What does she pretend that she needs geological hammers for? I'm skeptical.
She's got geological
She works on
hammers.
sand.
She's got
Don't give me the sea cliff stuff.
one box of sand. She recently cleaned this out. Sea frog. Here's your standards for your sniffer.
Okay.
It's right up there. We've got, this is the junior scientist grant. What's right here?
Okay.
This is Claire's, also an active user, microplastic stuff. She gets 2 cabinets because she has a lot of stuff. That's that.
Flammable stuff.
Flammables.
Ethanol and the like. And things need to make sure we keep them in this secondary spill container. So when they're in these little lipped containers, make sure that if you guys take stuff out, we put them back into that same location.
Water bath. A lot of times I have students dump their sand and dirt in buckets so I can empty them
Okay.
for microplastic sampling.
Okay.
Water.
Wash station.
There's more drone batteries in here. This is where the big boys are stored. These guys, for your matrice. This is, oops, that not close. Soap. Liquinox soap.
Okay.
So cleaning stuff. There's an actual vacuum pump in here.
Whoa!
Shop vac.
I didn't know we had a shop vac.
It's
I've never used it.
Dr. Steele's. It's there.
What do we use it for?
We don't use it. That's why it's there.
Okay. Okay.
This is
microplastic
all
stuff.
Microplastic salt water for Kiki's labs. These are pipette tips.
Freezer with that I'm never allowed to put very discriminatorily roadkill in, which is very rude. But I don't want to talk about that.
This is normally where I keep cotton, like just storage, extra storage.
Oh, sorry, cotton. What do you mean?
Like cotton rags.
Cleaning rags. Okay.
Yeah, they're
okay,
actually
okay.
all in my car because I did laundry.
Okay, good job. Yeah, and I assume you're gonna keep doing laundry. What? That's super sexist and mean.
Okay, these cabinets, this is oceanography, all oceanography, for oceanography labs. I personally believe we do not need to order anything for the next year because we have so much extra stuff. But I'll let the next person decide that. All oceanography. Oceanography. This is where Kiki's dye is if she ever asked. This is my shame shoes for students who don't wear proper shoes in the lab and we're doing something bad. Research grade sieves, non-research grade sieves, marking recapture lab, biodiversity lab. For conservation biology, this is random field methods stuff.
Okay, what's in the lower left? The thermometers?
This one?
Yeah.
This might be broken. These are all broken.
Okay.
A lot of things just got kind of shoved once we cleaned up the COVID. This is Claire's conservation biology cabinet. Random aquarium stuff, microscopes. Oh, there's more sand. Sorry, more sand samples.
Okay. What was it? Just what is just out of curiosity? What years of this does it say?
Inventoried. This has all been inventoried. I don't know. 2016. It looks like.
Okay. So it's old. Okay.
Party supplies and microscopes.
Party. And so microscopes are then going to be in this one and in this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Flogging tape for field methods.
Okay.
All of the upper stuff is glassware.
Okay.
I call that, we use it for everything. Like any class that needs it, no one owns specific stuff. This is the laptop cart. This, not these two. These all have problems.
Sorry, mechanical problems or software problems?
Not up to date, can't log in, no admin privilege.
Okay.
So that's a fun problem to have. These are for pitfall. There's a whole bunch of cups for pitfall trapping here for that lab. Yeah, we have a whole bunch of these organizer
plates. Okay.
Yeah, plates. Binoculars for birding and field methods. Here, we probably need to buy more gloves. I'm being serious. We're out of like small and mediums mostly. This
samples?
This might just be.
Look like sample.
Oh, these are owl pellets.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah, owl pellets.
Yeah, those should not go. Yeah, those should stay in this
more
lab
owl
for our
pellets.
Okay, so owl pellets on the bottom, or owl.
Yeah, this is all owl pellets.
Okay.
This is kind of field method-esque.
Insect trapping.
Insect trapping. I have
DBH tapes.
DBH tapes.
Measure. This is a measuring tool.
Yeah.
A measuring drawer. Excuse me.
You have
Tensiometers.
Tensiometers. You have the angle finder thingy. I
Yeah.
forget what they're called.
Yeah. Clinometers.
Clinometers. You have a refractometer. And a whole bunch of falcon tubes.
Okay.
Those are technically all Dr. Steele's. Chem wipes, more falcon tubes, empty. OMG. This is all for
The muffle
melon.
furnace.
Yeah. So we have a whole bunch of ceramics. I think Mary's actually using a lot of it. This is crucibles.
Okay.
This is our new soil corer for sand that we never got to use. It's
Thanks,
got-
pandemic.
Thanks, pandemic. This should probably be stored in the cage.
Yeah.
And then all of this is
Stuff that needs to be moved to the archive.
archive sand. All of this stuff is like generic fun sand for Kiki's labs
In the buckets?
in the buckets.
Okay.
I use all these pictures for saltwater distribution for Kiki's labs.
But those can also go, those don't need, those can be in the cage, right?
Yeah.
There's no reason
Well,
they need.
you use them a lot in the fall. So
But I
can-
mean, but right, sure,
Yeah.
but,
And that's it.
okay.
Oh, in the upper corner, there's all of the oceanography bins.
All right, okay, cool.
That stuff. But other than that, that is it.
All right, so this is our Sierra Hall. Oh, and then we obviously on the far right over there we have our muffle for, or drying oven. Okay, cool.